Oh, day 3.
Wala akong ano. Page 1. Page 2 has a typo. Please swap the numbers 3 and 1. Ang block ng to. 3 and 1.
Ako, page 2. Prioritize cutting wires in this order. 2, 3, 1, 4.
2, 1, 3, 4.
2, 1, 3, 4.
Cut all wires that are not yellow. So, isipin mo
2,
yung...
1, 3.
No!
2, 1, 3.
That are not yellow eh.
1, 3.
Tama, not yellow. Yung
Tama, are not yellow.
Page 1, do not let intern Philip cut white wires.
Page
Okay
2.
now. Page 2.
Cut all wires. Page 3, do not let intern
Huwag ka
Philip
magka-cut.
cut yellow wires.
Page
Huwag ka
4.
magka-cut.
Hindi ako nagka-cut. Page 4. Do not intern Nyepoy cut black wires. Huwag ka magka-cut.
Walang black.
Ang nabeli mo sa akin.
Ikaw na sabi sa'yo?
Ano yung
Do not let intern Philip cut
Cut
yellow
all wires, cut all wires.
Cut all words na nga. Ayun pa. Ayun pa.
Isa pa.
Bilis.
Ayaw. Ayaw mo.
I still haven't kissed a girl.
Tiger Bomb.
Well, things are looking up. Except for this next bomb that might kill us all.
Yan ang pabili ng
Also, the instruction manual was written by children, which is probably a workplace violation of some kind.
If a wire is silly,
Nakatlo ka agad yung 2. Sorry.
if a wire is silly, it is not funky no matter what. The heck?
Page 2. Every wire is kind of funky. I think the fourth wire is also good.
Oh, putang ina, ano
Cut the funky wires. Cut the funky wires.
funky? I hate good wires because they make everything next to them silly. If a wire is silly, then it is not funky no matter what. I'm done.
4 yata yung good, di ba? 4
Oh, good.
Next sa good, funky, silly. Kaya
If
yan.
a wire is silly, then
I
it is
hate
not
good
funky.
wires because they make everything next to them silly.
Silly yung 3. Silly yung 3.
So, 3 yung kakat.
Funky na yung
Hindi,
kaya.
4.
Cut the funky
If a
wires.
wire is silly, then it is not funky.
3.
3. Oh my God.
1, 3, 1, 2, 4. Sabi na 4 eh. 1, 2, 4.
I don't know eh, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng silly and
Oh, 1,
funky.
2, 4.
Ang tagal niyo kasi sinabi.
Siyempre kayo naglalaro.
Hello, may coaching to, no?
Sinasabi ko nga sa'yo.
Ano yung funky and silly?
Nakakulog sa amin yung mga dapat
Wednesday, my least favorite day. Come on, Greg, keep it together. Anyway, you know the routine by now. 2 bombs to the fuse, blah, blah, blah. Don't kill us all, blah, blah,
Silly
blah.
yung 3.
Cut funky.
Pero may sinabi
Go,
sa
go, go.
statement ng huli.
Page 1.
Page 1, do not let even
It's also
wires, even
good.
another rules issues too.
Page 2. Cut the first and fourth wires.
Cut all black wires that are not the third wire.
1, 2.
Huwag mo nakat yung even ha.
Di 1 lang.
One lang.
One lang.
Page 1.
Ano na?
Cut other wires if they are white. So, 3.
Cut all red and black wires.
Only intern Philip may cut red wires.
Page 4. Do not cut the 6th or 5th wires even if other rule says you should.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hindi, hindi. 3, tama yung 3.
Philip!
Isa pa.
Si Philip lang yung pwede mag-black.
Hindi, yung red wire. Pero yung sinabi ng owner, huwag daw tatay.
Cut all red, kasi cut all red and black wires sa akin. Cut all red and black wires sa akin. So 1 and 2.
Matagal na yung oras. Wait lang.
Do not cut the 6th and 5th wires.
Kaya na, 1
Hindi,
and
yung may ano sa...
Even if other rule says that you
Oh,
should.
wala na, wala na, wala na.
Wala na to
So,
eh.
cut all red and black wires.
2. Pero yung 5 and 6
Panin
hindi
ko
pwede.
lang.
Yung
1 and 2
tatas
lang.
hindi pwede ha. Kasi
One.
2.
Saka 4, kasi black yung 4 eh.
Oo, 1 to 4.
Oh, kulo. Ano yung sinabi ba?
2, 4.
So, yung 4.
4 to
Go.
4.
Boom!
Mag-cut lang
Well,
ng
things are
wire.
looking up. Except for this next bomb that might kill us all. Wednesday, my favorite. Also, the instruction manual for this one was written by children, which is probably a workplace violation of some kind.
Oh.
Page 1. Even numbered wires make me feel good, but also stupid.
Page 2. Green and blue wires are ugly when they are odd numbers.
Okay.
Page
Go.
3, cut any words that make me feel stupid or ugly.
Green and blue wires.
Wires that are not ugly totally make me feel good.
Okay, ano yung sabi sa'yo?
Green and blue wires are ugly when they are odd numbers.
Even number wires make me feel good but also stupid. So I think 1 and 3.
3.
Where is it?
Wait lang mo ba?
May clue sa'yo.
Hindi, wires are not ugly
Ito,
totally make me feel good. Okay, nakipili lahat eh. Green and blue wires are ugly when they are odd numbers 1.
Ano?
1.
Isa ba?
Isa pa.
Check into 1 and 2.
Even numbered wires na make me feel good but also stupid.
2.
Lahat!
I just think that the whole world was a beach, then we would all be happy. Who doesn't love a beach?
Nakakasave pa lang.
Huwag ako namakos ha.
So we'll only build beaches that don't have sand, please.
Hey, I don't think we've met yet.
Ayun ang
I'm
kailangan mo
Gavin.
siguro yan.
Greg's hiding under his desk. He really hates Wednesdays. We should probably defuse these 3 bombs before he gets back.
Wires na rin.
Page 1, cut all black wires but not if that wire is the first wire.
Page 2.
Page 2, cut the fourth and the third wire if they are not green.
Cut the fifth. I got
Pwede
it.
may
Page
nagsulat
one.
pa, may nagsulat pa ako, do not cut green wires even another rule says that.
Wala yan kwenta.
Page 1 is supposed to say blue instead of black. So blue ang kakat natin.
Cut the fifth wire. Yun ang sinabi sa akin.
Okay, cut all
Blue wires, dapat, di ba?
3 and 4.
So 2 and 3.
3 and 4.
Bakit 4? Bakit kasama yung 4?
3 and 4 and
Eh kasi nga hindi siya green eh.
2,
If they are not green.
2, 3, 4.
5.
4 din.
4 din.
Sure ba kayo? Hindi, 5 is sure na yung 5 eh.
4.
4. Ayun na, diretso. For page 1, cut the second and 6 wires.
Do not cut yellow or black wires, even if other rules say so.
Okay, do not cut the 2. 6 lang ang pwede.
So, 6.
So,
Alright, to left lang ang
page
pagka.
3.
Except for red wires, wala nung red wires, sige.
Okay.
Basta
Cut all
may
wires
idea ka.
except those next to black wires.
Wala.
Okay, 6 lang.
6 lang.
Right to left ang pagka.
Cut all wires.
Page 3 is supposed to say wire 4.
So, page 3,
And
do not,
page 4 is supposed to say wire 1.
ano daw sa akin kasi page 3, do not cut wire 2 even if other rule says you should.
Do not cut wire 3 even another rule says you should.
4 and 1 yung
Do not cut wire 3 even another rule says you should.
3?
Wala yung 2.
Sa akin, do not cut wire 2.
page 3 is supposed to
1
1 dapat sa'yo 1. Hindi, 1 yun.
One yung
Sa'yo,
sa'yo.
sa'yo. Hindi, 1. Sinabi niya
Ayun
dito.
na, ayun
It's
nyo.
supposed to say wire 1.
8
1
seconds.
na, 1.
5 seconds.
Cut mo na.
Wala mo.
4.
Ano? Wala ka. Hindi kasi, yung sinabi niya sa'yo, yung cut mo, yung number mo 1. Ito number mo 4.
Wala tayo.
2, 3 lang.
How kasi cut all wires?
Oo nga.
Do not cut.
Tama na nga
Yung 4 and 1 lang. Hello, tama na. Nakapagod na ako.
Wala yung iba naman yung pagkalimuhan.
Padala nga. Ano nga yung page tayo?
Ayan, gusto ni Ferns yan. Tapos gusto niya intelihente.
Ay, naku, hindi umabot ng